Hi everyone, in this video I will demonstrate how to um, export data from your database and upload it in a macro, and also create multiple data or mock data from our macro website. So first, we have here our car class table that we have already created in our previous class. Then for the car class table, I inserted rows like for the hatchback class, pickup, luxury, sedan, and sports car. So each class have different daily rate, weekly rate, bi-weekly rate, and monthly rate. So from this, we can export this, like right click, export data, then just click next, until please take note of this directory, since you will find your data from this directory. And click proceed. Okay, so we already have exported our data, and to look for our data, so my data is from home. Let's check our home. Okay, so here is our data from the car class that we have created, this one. So from this, we can upload this in a macro. So our aim is to create a car data based from our existing car class data. So let's upload. This is the macro website. So from the data sets, let's upload our data set of car class. So this one. And then let's name this car class, then save our data set. So our data set is already here in macro. So when creating a car, so we need to have to take a look at this columns for car. So we have ID, brand, model, year, color, make, plate number, and class ID. So in our class ID, we need to upload the class IDs for car that must be already in our car class. Okay, so let's delete this previous car data. So let's have to create a schema. Then we have here row number, so it can be our ID number for the car, and then brand. So for the brand, we can search for car. Actually, we excluded other data like brand di ay kay similar lang sila sa car make. So let's just have make na lang. Tama na lang ni siya make. And then year. So for the year, kay this is the model. And then color. Color. And then let's skip the make, since we have already here color, plate number, There's another name for plate number. Okay, let's use the NHS number. And lastly, the class ID. Okay, so since we need to have our class ID pointed to the class table, we will use from the data set column. So in the dataset column, we can refer to the car class and get the ID here. So meaning, we need to have a class ID that is already existing in the car class table. Okay, then we can generate our rows, and it could be in a format of SQL so that we can run this in our database. So click generate. Okay, so we already have this mock data, no? Then in our database, since na naman taaning cars, so let's check po diri ha if existing na ba ang, okay, so wala pa ang data sa cars. We also don't have the data for car class kay it's from a separate database to siya. So let's import first our car class nga data from our previous nga kuha. Okay, from Postgres database. So let's use this car class. Proceed. Okay, then let's check if naana by data. Okay, so we already have the data for our car class. So for our cars na table, we can also import the data that we already downloaded. So this ato siya na download ganina. There are mock data. This is from the downloads na folder. Okay. Instead ang nga ni DI is what we will do is let's open the SQL here and then run it from our create a script for this SQL na new script, then i-copy lang ni nato para naa siya diri sa Postgres 2 na database. Okay, so mo ni siyang data, around 1,000 data that we have exported from our macro. So automatic na ni siya nga maong data. For the ID, for cars, no? ID, brand, natay brand, wala. So, na lang na siya yung ikuan. Model, do we have model? No, we have the year lang. Then, color, plate number, and then make. Okay, and class ID. So, let's run this, all this data. Sorry. Nasayop ko diri og name. Supposedly, it's cars na table. So, atong i-trohon lang og generate. So, na-download na nato no, na ay cars.sql. So, let's try again. So, copy. And then paste it here. Okay, and then highlight everything and run. So we already have inserted or updated 1,000 rows So let's check our data. I-refresh lang siguro na to, no? I think wala pa siya nakuan. Refresh. And then check our keyboard. Okay. So, naanatay data dire. Ana. Okay. So, everything's done for the importing and exporting of data into Macro and our database.